everyone, and very good day to all our amazing listeners out there. You're tuning into Pro 2 RRI, still with me, John, teman-teman. And it's your favorite English corner, Fun with English with me, John, your friendly English buddy for today. Whether we're at home, in the car, or just chilling out with your headphones on, thank you for joining with us, teman-teman Pro 2 FM ini ya. As always, we're here to make you learning English easy, exciting, and of course, a fun way, yeah? So grab your notebook or just your curiosity and like explore today's topics with games, conversations, and maybe even a little surprise quiz, teman-teman, yeah? Then, in this today's edition, I have Cahyadi in our beloved studio, Pro 2 FM Inde, and we're still talking about a glimpse of nature and how to be part of it, yeah? My bro, Cahyadi, how are you, man?
Good.
All good, man?
Very well this
So,
afternoon. Yeah.
What are you doing this whole day?
I just went back from Moni.
Oh, went back from Moni.
Yeah, I just went back from Moni.
Oh.
Yeah, doing my duty.
Oh, your duty is to go to Moni every time. So, what were you doing in Moni?
Okay, I'm also working as a field data collector for the statistic office of ND. So I'm doing my job to collect the data from the hotel
Oh,
in Moni. Yeah,
that's a good job. So it seems like you've been like a pretty busy guy right now.
pretty
Like,
busy.
Pretty busy guy, I think, because I have two jobs actually, and the morning job and the afternoon job.
And the
right?
afternoon
So
job, yeah.
It's kind of fun to do that thing, yeah. So today, guys, we're still talking about a glimpse of nature and how to be part of it. And my friend over here, Cahyadi, is actually happened to be a tour guide, so he must be in love with nature.
Yeah,
Definitely.
of course.
So, my bro Cahyadi, what comes to your mind when you hear the word of nature?
Nature is everything that's surrounding us. If, not when people talking about nature, they always meant it by when we are in the forest or we are somewhere else that we don't know. But actually, what comes in my mind when we talk about nature is what is surrounding us. It's actually
I see.
our environment.
Okay.
The nature is
Surrounding us,
Yeah.
our environment. So, what do you love the most about nature, according to you, bro?
everything, especially the greens.
Oh, the green ones.
Yeah,
Okay.
the vegetables, not the trees. I'm talking about the trees, the flowers.
Yeah, I
You
see.
see, when you're tired of your daily activities, maybe you spend like 5 or 10 minutes just looking outside of your windows, and when you see like the flowers blooming and the trees are like with their fruits, it's actually very refreshing.
That's a good
For
one.
me.
Because I believe in our land floras, of course,
Yeah.
definitely, we have a lot of greens ones, yeah?
Yeah.
And sometimes in the certain times, they're all going to be green, like a very fresh green in our eyes. And I don't know, some people may take a photo, or maybe some people can take a document a little bit.
Yeah. I'd
What-
like to take the pictures.
What are you doing when it comes to green, like a fully green, fully green season, bro?
Okay, that's the best things happen in Flores. That when it's the season, when it's especially the rainy season, when it's all the trees are fully green, it's actually nice things to do when you are like in a very bad situation in
I
the
see.
tired condition.
Oh.
You just spend your times
I
like you go to the beach and in the shore you see some trees and you sit under the tree. It gives you the new it's very refreshing for me. You see, I keep looking at the sea and the people, they're walking down the sea. It's either the sea or in the forest. Like we're climbing up the Kelimutu lakes. Just example, when you climb the Kelimutu lake, you see the people, the monkeys.
I see.
It's all very green and bright. And for me personally, I choose to put my phone, turn it off, and try to blend with the nature.
I see. That's a very, very good way to blend with the nature. So that means that you climb in Kalimantan Mountain in a rainy season, Chan?
Yeah,
that's
you know, I have another things.
yeah, no comment on that, bro. Yeah, that's a good thing. I mean, that's pretty wild, bro. I mean, you're doing your thing in a rainy season, climb with your own nature, man. That's pretty. I mean, that's kind of crazy, but it's kind of like a fun thing to do, you know.
Yeah,
In a
yeah, yeah,
rainy
yeah,
season, you
yeah.
climb the mountain and you do stuff to like lose a little bit of your mood or like your stress in that day.
Yeah, you know, I have another things to do as the guide. So when the people call me for my service, then I accompany them to climb up the Kelimutu, even though it's rainy or maybe it's foggy up there. But I try to keep my professional. And yeah, you know, when we be with another person, people, especially me, with guiding things, we just have. Relaxing way to keep talking to another people and looking at our environment, and especially in the rainy season, you know, there's some challenges you found in rainy season. There are some challenges you found in the dry season.
I see.
Yeah, in every season you have its own challenging.
I see. But maybe some people like rainy season, some people like dry season. But what most you love the most, Cha? What the most you love about?
I prefer the dry season
dry
actually.
season?
Yeah.
Why? Because you don't want to get wet or something like that.
That's one of the reason, but actually,
I know.
take one example. Flores,
I see.
it's the soil is very unstable. When it is the rainy season,
I see.
there's lots of landslides. And
Oh, yeah,
yeah,
yeah.
you know, the forest is always full of landslides in rainy season. Also, when you climb up, especially the Kelimutu Lake in the rainy season, people usually looking up for the sunrise happens in the Kelimutu Lake. But when you climb up at 4 or 5, maybe in the morning, when it's rainy season, either you get wet or the lakes full covered with
I do.
fog.
Yeah, I think
You
so,
can
bro.
see anything.
Yeah, and that might be, I don't know, like we would like to see some like beautiful places, but then it's foggy.
Yeah, it's
And then the
foggy.
rainy season, I don't know, it's kind of ruin everything.
It's
you know?
ruined everything, yeah.
That is so right. It's okay. Okay, my bro Cahyadi and teman-teman Pro 2 FM ND, if you guys have any questions about climate of nature, bisa join di 0821 4765 0422 ya, di 0821 4765 0422. You can ask anything about nature itself.
Something's got a hold on me lately. No, I don't know myself anymore. Feels like the walls are all closing in, and the devil's knocking at my door. Whoa, out of my mind. How many times did I tell you I'm no good at being alone? Yeah, it's taking a toll on me. Trying my best to keep from tearing the skin off my bones. Don't you know how to control when you're not next to me? I'm falling apart right in front of you. Can't you see? I lose control when you're not next to me. Yeah, you're breaking my heart, baby. You make a mess of me. Problematic. Problem is, I want your body like a fiend, like a bad habit. Bad habits hard to break when I'm with you. Yeah, I know I can do it on my own, but I want that real full moon, black magic, and it takes two. Problematic. Problem is, when I'm with you, I'm an addict, and I need some relief. My skin ain't your teeth, can't see the forest through the trees. Got me down on my knees, darling, please. Oh, I lose control when you're not next to me. I'm falling you're not here with me. I'm falling apart right in front of you. Can't you see? I lose control when you're not here with me.
Teddy Swims, guys, with Lose Control for you guys on Fun with English. Still with me, John, and my lovely brother at Cahyadi in our studio today. Yeah, we're still talking about the glimpse of nature and how to be part of it, guys. Yeah, and Cahyadi, when it comes to nature, and of course, we're still talking about the animals and in that forest itself.
Yeah,
So,
yeah, yeah.
Can you give us like your favorite animals that maybe live in rainforest or dry forest or something?
Yeah, that's my pet.
Oh, yeah, or maybe, while you were on your tour guiding or something.
Yeah.
Like maybe
Yeah.
you saw something animal that you kind of like you kind of love it.
Yeah, other than cats, of course, that's my pets.
Oh,
Okay.
you're a cat lover.
Yeah. I'm
I see.
I'm cat lovers. But other than cat that I have at my home, the other things that I found, like the one that I found in the forest, maybe the ones that I like is the birds.
What is it?
The bird.
Oh, birds. I see.
Yeah.
Birds.
Yeah, it's better than the snakes. Yeah.
Oh. I think that's kind of thing that maybe scary.
Yeah, I'm scared.
I cannot imagine when you sleep at night and then this thing called snake, like
A slithering.
it's just like sitting. I got no comment for that. I got scared. If it's to mention that animal snake, it got me.
No, why the birds? Because I like the way they tweet in the morning.
Oh.
Yeah, it's like breathful. It's
like it.
joyful.
You like tweeting?
Yeah.
I see.
Yeah.
That's good. That's a good choice. I don't know because some people in love with birds so much because I don't. Sometimes they say that it can help us with their day. I don't. know.
Yeah. Some people have
Relaxing and something.
have the birds cage in their homes, but I think if you love the birds, let them fly.
Oh.
Don't catch them.
I believe I can fly.
Okay.
That's good choice, bro. So your favorite animals are cats and birds.
Birds,
Oh,
of
I
course.
see, I
Yeah.
Okay. So talking about animals, I mean like in our forests, in India especially, I don't know what kind of animals that could count as the lowest animals. Like we don't have any numbers of animals because they tend to be like a small animals.
The small number of the
Small
animals.
amount, yeah. Small
I
amount
think
of
it's
animals.
like the endemic one.
Mhm.
You see, we have endemic birds
endemic
here, the Flores eagle and the Garugiwa birds.
So have you seen any of this animals?
Of course.
Where is it?
You know, when you climb up the Kelimutu Lake, they have like bird watching spot.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, that's where annually they held the event of the bird watching.
Oh,
Yeah.
damn, that's sort of a magical.
Yeah.
So they only showed up on like a rainy season or dry season.
Usually at the dry season, mostly in the rainy season, the birds they tend to hide in their nest, their shelter because of the rain.
I see.
Because they're also afraid of the storm or the thunder, maybe. But in the dry season, it's time for them to fly freely.
Oh, that's a good choice. I mean, lucky for you, you have seen these animals, but I've never seen any of those things that you just say to me, bro. I mean, that's a good thing for you to say because, like you said, maybe some animals live in some certain places.
Yeah, that's at the endemic things.
That's good thing.
We have eagle Flores that's only in Flores. We have Garugiwa birds that only in the area of the Kelimutu Lake, the national and Kelimutu area. And then other than the animals, the birds, they also have like the endemic plants.
Oh, I'm so in love with these animals. I mean, I wish I could see these animals one day. I mean, lucky for you, you have seen this thing repeatedly, maybe. And so, why is it important for you to protect the environment, according to you?
to protect. Okay, also join in the community community in the environment community we called Acil, anak cinta lingkungan. I also be there as the secretary of the community. So we try to protect the environment because we believe that what we give to the nature will return.
Oh, you go.
That thing.
Oh yeah, okay. Yeah. He's my secretary actually. He's my secretary and helping us a lot actually. Go on.
Yeah.
Go on, bro.
No. We believe that what we give to the nature will return that to us. I mean, if we plant more trees, it means the nature will give us more oxygen, more birds, and more animals for our lives. But if we throw the garbage away, I mean, if you don't watch the sign of the nature when you doing something bad to the nature, when it's rainy season, it's flood, and nature will return the waste that we throw in our environment.
I think that's sort of a red notice for all of us. You know, to take our environment. You know, the garbage. I don't know if Ende had a potential to full of garbage in our city, but I don't know. I mean, like rainy season could bring all those things to the streets. You know,
Indonesia now have like weather anomaly. It's like where actually have to be in a wet season but still dry. So sometimes it's rains but it's actually dry season. It is something that called the weather anomaly. So the people that throw away the garbage in the environment, not in its place, we have to be careful because when the flood happens, the water tunnel it gets clogged, and then the water will bring all the things, all the garbage, all the waste that we throw away back into our homes.
Oh, and hopefully we don't have any floods anymore because that could be danger for us. I think. I don't know. Okay, let's play the song, guys. We'll be right back, still with me, John, and Cahyadi on Fun with English.
My baby born working. She's been telling me all night long. Gasoline and groceries, the list goes on and on. This 9 to 5 ain't working. Why the hell do I work so hard? I can't worry about my problems. I can't take them when I'm gone. 1, here comes the 2 to the 3 to the 4. Tell them bring another round, we need plenty more. 2 stepping on the table, she don't need a dance floor. Oh my, good Lord. Someone pour me up a double shot of whiskey. They know me and Jack Daniels got a history. There's a party downtown near 5th Street. Everybody at the bar getting tipsy. Everybody at the bar getting tipsy. Everybody at the bar getting tipsy. I've been boozy since I left. I ain't changing for a check. Tell my mom I ain't forget. Woke up drunk at 10 a.m. We gon' do this shit again. Tell your girl to bring a friend. Oh Lord. 1, here comes the 2 to the 3 to the 4. Tell them bring another round, we need plenty more. 2 stepping on the table, she don't need a dance floor. Oh my, good Lord. Someone pour me up a double shot of whiskey. They know me and Jack Daniels got a history. There's a party downtown near 5th Street. Everybody at the bar getting tipsy. Everybody at the bar getting tipsy. Everybody at the bar getting tipsy. In comes the 2 to the 3 to the 4. When it's last call and they kick us out the door. It's getting kinda late, but the ladies want some more. Oh my, good Lord. Someone pour me up a double shot of whiskey. They know me and Jack Dale's got a history. There's a party downtown near Fifth Street. Everybody at the bar get tipsy. Someone pour me up a double shot of whiskey. They know me and Jack Dale's got a history. Got the bottom of a bottle, don't mix me. Everybody at the bar get tipsy. Everybody at the bar get tipsy.
Teman Pro 2, ada kabar bagus nih. Buat kamu yang punya lagu atau karya musik lainnya, kamu bisa ikutan Musicpreneur. Musicpreneur ini wadah buat kamu supaya karya kamu bisa dinikmati pecinta musik di seluruh dunia. Menarik kan? Yuk join Musicpreneur. Untuk info yang lebih seru, kamu bisa ikuti siaran berjaringan Musicpreneur di sore ceria setiap Jumat pukul 16 sampai dengan pukul 17 waktu Indonesia Barat di Pro 2 FM seluruh Indonesia. Musicpreneur Pro 2 Network.
Jangan ragu, Musicpreneur buat maju.
Terbaik kamu. Dari Puncak Durian nomor 1 ND 92,2 MHz Pro 2 FM ND, teman terbaik kamu. Teman terbaik kamu.
Alright guys, back in Fun with English today with me, John, and our lovely guest ada my bro Cahyadi in our studio, Pro 2 FMND, teman terbaik kamu, and we're still talking about a glimpse of nature and how to be part of it, yeah? So, Cha, while you're being a tour guide, have you seen any wild animal in a real life? Like a really wild animal, or maybe some of the wild animal according to you?
I think it's just a small snakes, I think.
Oh god, small snake. Where is it?
Like when we do the guiding things, the other than the main destination like Kelimutu Lake, the people like the tourists usually when they saw something like when we stop by at the rice field, they tend to like let's do some walking. When they see like a green forest, something like that, we stop by and then just like usual we take a walk and then we see some little snakes.
Is it like a poison snake or?
I have no idea because when we see one we run.
It's like it's dangerous, bro. That is so dangerous. You know?
We just consider every snake is dangerous, so we don't touch or because we don't have like anti venom or something like that, and we are not the snakes expert, something like that. Every time we see one, we run.
Mainly the main thing that everybody should know: they're not your friends. Right?
Yeah.
It's not
first
your
thing first, the snake is not your friend.
It's not your friend. you can't just come. Like just come and say hi friend, hi buddy, and then you smile at them, and then they could smile at you back, which is I don't know, it could be dangerous. Yeah, that's pretty wild. I don't know if you ever seen any cobra snake.
No cobras. Usually some like forest snake, it's not it's just like this long, so it's just like the body is like this big but this long. Not like cobra or anaconda.
I see.
Something like that.
I don't know. Like I don't want to escape from anaconda because that could be dangerous, you know. So that kind of thing that could be dangerous for you and all maybe some people in a way. Because like the green is also beautiful. The green part is very beautiful, but maybe there could be like a danger potential of it. You know, like green snake.
Because
some people say the green snake is very poison stuff and like a venom, like a berry venom.
I just believe that you see that behind everything beautiful there is danger lies behind.
definitely.
Yeah, but for the animals, the one thing that I always remember, the brightful the color of the animals, the more poisonous they are.
I can even. I don't know. I don't give a shit. I almost say that thing. I don't really care, man. I almost say that thing. I don't really care the beautiful color of that snake. They are still S-N-A-K-E. And I'm gonna say hi to them. I don't know. I just give it. Like maybe some people. I pay you like $100,000 or maybe. Like for you to touch that snake.
Okay.
No, thank you. Save your money. I just give back. So yeah, that kind of thing could be danger for.
Yeah.
And according to you, what are some ways for people like to keep nature clean in that way?
What are? Sorry.
What are some ways people can help keep nature in that?
Yeah. I always when I do the guiding things, I always say like three things to all the tourists. That I'm taking. The first thing is do not take anything but picture.
Yes.
Yeah.
I do agree.
The second is do not kill anything but time.
Yes.
Yeah.
I do agree with that.
And the last thing, the third one is do not leave anything but footprints.
Yes.
That's the three things I always mention to all my friends or my tourists that I'm taking there out in the nature.
I couldn't agree more, right? I couldn't agree more. I mean, I completely 100% agree with you, bro. With these three things, that could be like an alarm to those people. Like a sign to those people that maybe they like to go somewhere, and these three things could, I don't know, could be a lesson to those people, right? Because I don't know. I like to see nature as clean as possible.
Yeah, of course, we are. So when we do like we see like some good place, like they have like the probability to be a good tourism spot, but the place full of the waste, full of the garbage, it cut off everything. So we do not recommend that place to get visit by the people.
That's kind of sad.
Yeah, we don't post that. We don't suggest that.
That's kind of sad, you know. But maybe I don't know. Hopefully there are no more cutting trees. It's kind of sad to see it. So you said earlier that you like to go to beach sometimes.
Yeah,
you know?
of course.
When it comes to beach, do you prefer sunrise or sunset on the beach?
Usually for sunsets.
Why sunset, sir?
You know the yellowish, the golden thing. So when the sun sets in the west, that's nice. Usually I just spend like my time alone, like when I walk ashore, and then when it's the sunset time, it's very nice, very beautiful, right before it ends the day.
So is there any history of your life when it comes to sunset? Maybe I don't know.
There's a lot of memories with the sunset.
I see. Well, was it beautiful or was it?
It's more beautiful than the sunsets, but let's skip that part.
Sunset is everything, you know. I mean, all of us has something to do with the sunset itself, you know. But that's part of a.
It reminds.
I mean, that's part of a beach nature. That's a good thing. So according to you, Jack, how do trees help the earth and humans?
Most people they don't realize that the trees help us to provide the oxygen. You know, Ende is one of the beautiful places in Indonesia, but Ende sometimes gets very hot.
Yeah.
When you get the very hot weather, the temperature is very hot. One of the things that I do is I go to the beach, and when we see lots of the waru trees, we sit under the trees. You know, it gives us more oxygen, so we
Definitely.
feel relaxed. That's also applied when you have like maybe the fruit trees like mangoes,
Yeah.
or any fruit trees in front of your front yard, and then when it's hot in the midday, you just go outside and sit under the tree, and it will give you like more relaxed sensation
I think it's a
because of the
beautiful-
oxygen.
I think it's a beautiful thing to do, Cha. But,
Yeah.
but I mean, like, I cannot imagine if I sit under the beringin tree in the middle of the night, by 12 a.m., bro. And I don't know what could happen to me. I could get possessed. Maybe. I don't know. But they're also a beautiful tree, Beringin tree is beautiful tree, but I don't know if you could sit down.
Bring in it's like the ficus tree actually. Bring in
Yes.
it's the ficus tree, the family of ficus, the ficus benjamin tree. So the ficus tree believe that they can absorb more water, so that's why where you find the ficus tree, you can find the source of the waters.
That's a good thing to know.
So nowadays, the people realize that the ficus is good for the replanting program. So they plant a more ficus tree. In the old times, people believe the ficus tree is the house of the ghost of the
come on.
spirits. But nowadays, the people believe that the roots of the ficus tree absorb more waters, and then turn into like a big water reservoir under there.
Well, I mean, I don't know if that kind of thing that could scare people to, I don't know, to like play around the bringing trees.
Yeah.
Sometimes because they could get possessed by, I don't know, by ghosts or anything. But for me, tree is a tree.
Tree is tree, yeah,
Tree is a
yeah,
tree.
yeah,
But
yeah.
maybe for some culture, bringing tree could be, I don't know, like a sacred tree.
Yeah, yeah,
or
yeah, yeah,
something,
yeah,
and I
yeah,
don't know.
yeah, yeah.
But I don't know, maybe some people like play how I dare you to, because I've seen the videos and YouTube, because some people dare to sit alone in bringing trees,
Yeah,
surrounded by the graveyard.
yeah.
I don't know.
Yeah. Some people in some belief, like animisme or dynamisme, the people believe that the tree, including the bringing tree, is sacred because it is the house of the spirit of their ancestors. Yeah, it's like the one that we can found in the traditional village of Wologai. So in front of the like whole traditional village, it is believed that by the people of the Wologai, the age of the tree is already 700 years.
So old, man.
Yeah, so
very
old,
old.
the trees. Have you seen
That's
the trees?
ancient.
Yeah, have you seen the trees?
I haven't.
Oh yeah.
I've never been to Pologai actually, bro. Because I heard some stories about that, but I don't know, maybe it's just stories, but I've never seen to that place. But I wish I could go there someday.
Yeah. You should see that tree.
I think it's an ancient tree.
Yeah.
By the time you mentioned how old